Chapter number 2, Neurophysiology. In this chapter, number 1 topic is autonomic nervous system. It is the set of pathways to and from the central nervous system that innervates and regulates smooth muscles, cardiac muscles, and glands. It is distinct from the somatic nervous system, which innervates skeletal muscles. It has three divisions: sympathetic, parasympathetic, and enteric. The enteric division is discussed in chapter number 6. Organization of autonomic nervous system. It is organized in four parts. Number 1, synapses between neurons are made in the autonomic ganglia. Synapses are of two types. Number 1, parasympathetic, and number 2, sympathetic. Parasympathetic are located in or near the effector organ. Sympathetic ganglia are located in the paravertebral chain. Preganglionic neurons. It have their cell bodies in the CNS and synapse in autonomic ganglia. Preganglionic neurons of the sympathetic nervous system originate in the spinal cord segments T1 to L3 or the thoracolumbar region. Preganglionic neurons of the sympathetic nervous system originate in the nuclei of cranial nerves and in the spinal cord segment S2 to S4 are the craniosacral regions. Postganglionic neurons of both divisions have their cell bodies in the autonomic nerve ganglia and synapse on the effector organ. Heart, blood vessels, and sweat glands are the examples of it. Adrenal medulla. It is a specialized organ. It is the specialized ganglion of the sympathetic nervous system. Preganglionic fibers synapse directly on the chromaffin cells. In the adrenal medulla, the chromaffin cells secretes the epinephrine 80% and norepinephrine 20% in the circulation. Pheochromocytomia is the tumor of adrenal medulla that secretes the excessive amount of catecholamines and is associated with increased excretion of 3-methoxy-hydroxymandelic acid, which is also known as VMA. Number B, neurotransmitters of the ANS autonomic nervous system. Number 1 neurotransmitter is which is released from the adrenergic neurons are norepinephrine, which is secreted by the adrenergic neurons. Cholinergic neurons, whether in the sympathetic or parasympathetic nervous system, release the acetylcholine as a cholinergic neurotransmitter. Noradrenergic neurotransmitter. It includes some postganglionic parasympathetic neurons of the gastrointestinal tract which released substance P, vasoactive intestinal peptides VIP, or nitric oxide. Organization of autonomic nervous system. It will be discussed in the next lecture.